Tina. I chose Horizon Construction because I liked Mark, and of the three people I interviewed, he was the most sensitive to my historic home and the need to keep it a light country kitchen for me and to preserve the uniqueness of this home. He placed a washer and dryer in the hallway closet where there hadn't even been water and gas. And now I have a washer and dryer, and I have this kitchen that is more usable than the one that existed before. The old cabinets that were in here, he had hung in my garage for me, so now I have double the space. I would recommend Horizon to anyone.
Thank you. Enjoy your new kitchen.
Thank you, I will.